2 days after a 15-year-old was found dead in Jalpaiguri, there seems to be absolutely no breakthrough in this case, with the family of the victim claiming that TMC leaders were present during the kangaroo court's diktat. The local TMC workers, however, continue to roam free.
Students storming the police station in Jalpaiguri. Their anger evident as they demanded action against those responsible for the murder of a 15-year-old.
Obviously अरेस्ट होना चाहिए, उसका फांसी होना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं फांसी होगा? वो ऐसे करके क्यों एक मासूम लड़की को क्यों ऐसे करके वो लोग मार कर वो रेल स्टेशन पर छोड़ देगी? क्यों छोड़ देगी? उसका obviously फांसी होना चाहिए.
Now I am right now here in Dhupguri police station area, where her school students of that girl have been coming over here to hold solidarity and protest. As you can see, these girls are wearing these black ribbons across their faces in a sign of protest and demanding to submit a memorandum over here with the IC of this police station, pressing for needs like that there should be a speedy inquiry into this entire case.
She was humiliated for standing up for her father, allegedly raped, murdered and then abandoned. 2 days after her body was found on the tracks in Jalpaiguri, there is no action against those present at the kangaroo court. TMC councillor's husband, one of the accused in the case, still roams free.
While sources are to be believed that the political parties are trying to make this look like a case of an accident, that she was hit by the rail track, but talking to Times Now, her mother, the victim's mother, cried foul of this entire incident and called it a term of rape that is being covered up due to political pressure. Now, what is going to be the post-mortem report that would be throwing light as to what led to the cause of her death?
But the incident only giving more fodder to the opposition, who is now cornering the Mamata government.
It's absolutely shocking the way elected Trinamool members, whether it is MPs, whether it is MLAs, or whether it is local body councillors.
Her father survived, but she was silenced. Fighting for her father's honour, the 15-year-old facing the wrath of the kangaroo court. But will this incident serve as a wake-up call for the West Bengal Chief Minister? And will Mamata Banerjee act against her workers? Bureau Report, Times Now.